California, ain't there? That's what.
We're at 50 minutes now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
See how the water's rippled just to the left of that real deep?
Yeah.
You know, it could be a rock
Oh,
right.
yeah, there's a rock right here.
What a save! Huh?
Oh, that was good.
Didn't I tell you about the rippling water though? That's how you know. You know, it's not so much out here, but like in there, that's when there's a big rock or something. What is this here, I wonder? Right here. Boy, I could say a lot of shit right now. But I'm trying to keep it G-rated. Whoa, going the wrong way there, Hot Rod. Let's stay next to the shore too. I like staying next to the shore because look, there's another one. Maybe that's a shadow there, up there. Almost looks like a cave of some kind. Look at that. I wonder what's in there.
If I remember, I remember seeing the kayakers disappear in some little...
Yeah, well, there's supposed to be 2 or 3 of them here, like that. It'll show us on the thing here. Plus, we'll be able to see it. But there are 2 or 3, but you got to make a hike to do them, you know. And then if somebody steals your boat, well, you're shit out of luck. You're swimming home, pretty much. You're calling the DNR.